It is considered by many to be the most beautiful city in Central America. Steeped in culture, art, coffee, and of course, chocolate. This is Antigua, Guatemala. On the road again, literally. We love to explore on foot. Behind Antigua's walls lie surprises of all kinds. Visual, musical, culinary. That's Volcan Fuego, letting everyone know who's in charge. This place is no stranger to the forces of nature. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Antigua has been leveled by quakes on more than one occasion. Not only does Antigua have to endure earthquakes and volcanoes, here another force of nature shows up suddenly and forcefully: rain. The rain may have been worse than Costa Rican rain, as you can see in the street.
What's that behind us?
Some arch. I'm not here for the culture. I'm here for the food, people. That includes homemade ice cream from Sobremesa. While we're on the topic of food, Antigua is a place rich in history, natural beauty, and delicious cuisine. It is widely regarded as the birthplace of that famous confection, chocolate. I like it. We took a chocolate making class to learn more about one of our favorite treats. The Mayans originally consumed chocolate as a beverage, so that's where we started our process. Making chocolate involves a bit of muscle. Time to burn off some calories with a hike up to Cerro de la Cruz, or Hill of the Cross. Situated directly across the valley from Volcan Agua, it offers a breathtaking panorama of the town. Enough exercise. Is it time to eat?
Where are we?
We're in Antigua, Guatemala, in a restaurant called Tortilla.
Can you describe the restaurant?
Well, we got a lot of drawings on the wall, including genitalia, but that's, there's just a lobster place, and downstairs there's a bar and a fish place.
Antigua is known as a foodie's paradise. ¿Por qué no became our go-to dining destination during this vacation. I think we ate here every night. If your feet need a break from walking on cobblestone, grab a cheap and bumpy ride in a tuk-tuk. Or hop on a colorful chicken bus. The depot is right next to the artisan market. Markets like this are seemingly everywhere in Latin America. Their stalls packed with colorful, handmade textiles and an endless variety of trinkets. Next to eating, shopping is my favorite thing to do on vacation.
Buenas.
Hola. Taking for cookies.
The heart of this town is its central park, Parque Central, with the reconstructed fountain acting as a popular gathering spot. We spent a lot of time here just relaxing in the shade, drinking coffee, and buying more souvenirs. Crash Boy even made a new friend to play soccer with. Roughly 70% of Guatemala's population is Catholic, and it seems there's always a religious ceremony taking place in town. What better place to take a cooking class than Antigua? We spent a few hours learning how to prepare pepián, a traditional Guatemalan stew, rellenitos, plantains stuffed with chocolate, and other local delicacies. We learned a ton, and the best part was eating everything, of course. One of the many highlights of our Guatemalan adventure was a day trip to Pacaya volcano. About an hour by bus outside of Antigua, it is an exhilarating hike filled with horses, beautiful scenery, and thrills. Thrills like roasting marshmallows in an active lava flow. So cool. Actually, so hot. You can hear the lava crackle as it slides past. Great food, gorgeous colonial architecture, friendly people, and jaw-dropping natural beauty. Guatemala really does have it all. We can't wait to return as there is so much more to see and eat.